Hey kiddos, so now that you've done all of the attribute block matching and talking about how things are the same, today we're going to really quickly end our math lesson on how to sort people. Okay, so I know that some of you are in a big classroom right now, but some of you are at home, and that's okay. So if you're in a classroom, I want you to just use your eyes and look around, and I want you to see, I want you to notice the way people look around you, okay? Think of them as those blocks. Like, what do they have in common? What is the same about them? And those of you at home, if you don't have a classroom to look at, I printed out some kiddos, okay? So I want you to look at these kiddos, and I want you, oh, my camera flipped again. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me flip it back. There we go. All right, I want you to really think, what is the same about some of these kids? So there's the most obvious, I think, to me is boys and girls. So I would say this boy and this boy are the same because they're both boys. And I would say this girl and this girl can be in a category because they're both girls, yeah. So here's my question. If I had a category named girls, would she fit in my category? She would, wouldn't she? Yeah. All right, now let's think of something else besides boys and girls, okay? Something that we really got to think about. What makes us look the same? So you know what I'm noticing? I'm noticing this girl and this girl. I'm noticing something that's the same about them is they both have curls in their hair. Yeah, they both have curls in their hair, so they both have curly hair. Would this boy match that? Yes, because he's got curly hair too. He's got some waves in his hair too, okay? Now I could say that my category, I'm thinking of my category, this boy and this girl. What's the same about them? They both have blonde or yellow hair. Yeah, so their hair color is the same, right? What is the same about this girl and this boy? They both have black hair, yeah. What is the same about this boy and this girl? This is a trick question. They're both wearing blue pants. Look at that. So what I want you to do is I want you to think of the people in your classroom or even in your home and think of them and put them in different categories. How are they the same? Okay? And maybe when you're at the grocery store or if you're out at the park, try to see how people can be the same and how you can sort them into groups based on the way they look.